What's up, guys? Welcome to MyHeaven channel. It's Dennis. Today is a super exciting day because we're filming homes by the best builder in the country, Toll Brothers. This is a 55 and older community. One-story homes, Regency in Summerlin in Las Vegas. A model called Bristol Bay. So HOA here is $270 a month, and you have, it's 2,003 square feet, right?
Yeah, 2,003 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage.
Okay, let's check it out.
And the exterior is called Desert Prairie. They also have one called Desert Contemporary and High Plains, so there's 3 choices. It's a very interesting tile on the outside.
This is a beautiful community, super nice. So it's for active adults.
Yeah, 55 plus.
55 plus.
So part of that HOA fee gives you access to an 18,000 square foot clubhouse.
Wow. So this is by Toll Brothers, which is the best builder in the country, or one of the best builders in the country. Quality of these homes is really impressive.
My interview process with Toll was a little bit different, I think, than most.
This has SIDS and lids, right?
And it SIDS, yeah. It's almost 16,000 paid over
How much do they pay?
17 years.
How much do they pay per year?
It's close to $800, $796.
So you pay $800 a year for SIDS for 17 years until you pay it off the balance of 16,000.
Still a lot to learn, but I would love to someday have that seat that I told you
I have like,
This is Bristol Bay, right? The models.
yeah, the Bristol Bay. So you have white quartz countertops, huge island. It's pretty nice.
A big smile. He likes this one.
So they're doing gray cabinetry, very detailed, more detailed cabinetry, and a great subway backsplash.
Okay. Let's check out the appliances here in the kitchen.
Your microwave. Let's see what brand that is. KitchenAid. KitchenAid. Oven.
Nice.
What's this little corner here?
So
Wow, so that's smart. That's a good use of space. They built in a little office.
yeah,
or
you have a little
computer
space
room,
for your
and you
laptop.
got the pantry right behind you.
Entry is kind of small.
Yeah.
These homes are designed basically to have a retired couple live together, maybe like 2 people. It's 2 bedrooms.
2 bedroom, yeah.
Yeah, so it's a smaller home, 2,003 square feet, but it's designed for a couple of people to live in, and then maybe guests to visit.
But you have so much cabinet space here. Like I'm real surprised. You have the yeah.
What's in here? Just some storage space.
Yeah, just your normal coat closet.
Check out the door. It's kind of interesting. You have like this little windows in the door.
Yeah. Look at the paneling on the wall. So you have the paneling on the wall here, and the ceiling, like crown molding, and then another layer of crown molding, white paneling, gray paneling. It's just crazy. Oh, here, so it tells you 10-foot ceilings.
Okay.
So this is 10-foot ceilings.
Yeah, it's really nice. 10 feet is all you need. I mean, it's really tall. Check out the
So
ceiling.
here's the secluded den.
Check out the ceiling here. That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I mean, they have stuff on the walls, on the ceiling,
Yeah, the paneling.
the paneling. Yeah, so it just feels
It's so pretty.
really nicely upgraded. And here's the flooring and just carpet. All right. Okay. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. What do you guys think so far?
It's nice. It feels like more traditional. A little more traditional, I guess. It's very pretty. I love the door.
Yeah.
You get your half bath there,
Okay.
and there's 2 other full baths. There's the laundry room.
You even have crown molding
And the bathroom?
in the bathroom.
Oh, no way. And the laundry room, dude.
Yeah. Not sure about these great cabinets, but
No, you don't like them? See, I think
It would look better if it was
I
dark.
think the cabinets went from the real dark espresso to the gray, and now a lot of people are doing white cabinets.
Yeah, white cabinets would be nice in here.
Yeah.
So is this the master bedroom?
This looks like the second.
Second bedroom
Yeah,
right here.
second bedroom.
Again, you can see there's crown molding on top. Oh yeah, what's the price for this house?
The price starts at $524,995 for this exterior, and then it goes up to $534,995 depending on which exterior you choose.
Do we know the lot size?
No, it doesn't say anything about the lot size.
Okay, we'll check out. We'll
But
see.
there is a pool in the backyard.
It's a one-story
So-
house. It's a one-story house. It takes up a lot more,
Check up the.
lot more land than a two-story
Yeah.
house. So, okay. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, let's go. Where's the master
Here's
bedroom?
the
List of upgrades.
list of upgrades if you want to take a look at that.
Okay, if you guys want to see all the upgrades for this home, there's a list. Okay. Let me show you the backyard really fast. Actually, let's go check out the backyard. If we can open it. Are you able to open this?
Recently, I had a family that
Okay, perfect. Sorry, let's go through here first.
Wow.
You have a nice pool.
Wow. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this. Like, have you seen anything like this before? Like this whole structure built in? And you have more, the lot extends actually past this. But it has like a built-in fireplace and a TV, fixed-screen TV. That's crazy.
Nice. Sorry guys, it's really windy today,
Yeah.
so it might pick up some wind noise in the camera.
But so nice. You have a pool and then you have like a jacuzzi, section off in here.
Oh, look at this, the pine tree died. Oh, that's... Look at that, they have a pine tree here and it's all dried up. I have 10 pine trees in my house and they're all like really big, nice trees. We're set to see them. Okay, so we're set to see when the trees die. It's too big. It's crazy, man. It's pretty peaceful here. You see, there's like a little gazebo on top. And a little water fountain. Okay, let's go see the master bedroom. Go through here. Okay.
They even have another TV here outside. They have like a whole other dining area and another dining area. I mean, there's just so much space.
Okay.
I love that they have a under the roof.
Oh yeah, they have a wine fridge over here.
nationally, locally,
So if you're drinking wine and stuff, that'd be very useful. I love the shelf. It's really nice. The glass.
Did you see the fireplace?
Yeah.
Even has like a herringbone brick pattern inside.
I love that I work at a company where
Yeah.
I think
they
that's
want us
gas.
to get involved. They want us to give back.
Built-in shelves are nice.
Toll Brothers, man. That's where it's at.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful community, master plan community, Regency, Summerlin, Las Vegas.
Regency in Summerlin?
Yeah, it's so nice and quiet here. It's like right next to the mountain. You have a full-size 2-car garage, and you have electric water heater to save space. Okay. So let's go see the master bedroom, and then we'll be done with this tour. Okay. Check out the Toll Brothers models that I filmed in Irvine, California, by the way, if you haven't seen those yet.
They'll put a link in the description.
Yeah, those are amazing. They're like $2.1 million.
Yeah.
This is a lot more affordable. 500,000?
Yeah.
Way more affordable.
500,000.
Yeah, way more affordable.
Look Look at how pretty. So they did the white paneling on the ceiling.
I mean-
and like all the paneling on the walls.
We're gonna have more videos from this community. This community is actually amazing. Like, I love this location.
Did you guys see
In
that
Las
they have
Vegas.
a built-in shower?
Yeah. It's a built-in shower. Oh, right here.
You see that?
Yeah, I can see it through the camera.
Where's the building shower?
Right here, I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super nice.
Oh, that goes to the next model.
You can see the wood paneling on the ceiling. Okay, so check out the bathroom. Hopefully it's something special. I don't know about the pattern on this floor. That's a little too much for me, but
Oh yeah, but that's so on trend right now.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is trend?
Yeah.
This trend-
Like a lot of the
This trend's not gonna last
oh, it's
that much.
porcelain or clay. It's kind of this like European inspired.
Look at the shower. The shower is huge. Let me show you the shower.
Wow, the shower is huge. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even the mirrors, like look how tall of a mirror that they put. You know, like normally they would just give you like a rectangular like this way. You know, and of course the branding, they put their Toll Brothers towels in the
Yeah,
brand.
Toll Brothers towels, man. That's where it's at. Okay.
Nice little
Here's
walk-in.
your closet.
It's not huge, but ooh, yes, by California Closets.
Yeah.
Let's see, who did these built-ins?
Do you like this built-ins?
Nice,
It's with Nordstrom.
soft clothes. Yeah,
Nordstrom
Nordstrom.
brand.
You gotta go to the strip
Alright
to
guys,
shop
so
at
let's
Nordstrom.
trek back to the center of the house. Ooh. Yeah. There's 9 models total here for Toll Brothers, so we're gonna film all 9 for the channel. Over time, not in one day, of course. So stay tuned. Let us know in the comments below if you like this model. I mean, location is amazing. I really love this location. It's really quiet, really clean here, right next to a big mountain.
Sky likes it too.
Sky likes it too. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next one. Later.